Today, I'm going to walk you through how to automate emails in Monday.com so you can save time, keep your team or clients in the loop, and make your onboarding or notification processes run on autopilot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up automated emails triggered by actions on your Monday.com boards. Let's get started. First up, we need to make sure your board actually knows who to send those emails to. This step is easy, but it's important to get it right. Click the little plus at the top of your Monday.com board and from the menu, add a new column. Choose email as the type. This will give you a dedicated spot to add recipient email addresses for each item. If you're new to columns on Monday.com, think of them as containers for specific information. In this case, your email addresses. This is crucial because the automation will use this column to know where the messages should go, pulling the address for each item as needed. Once you've got your email column set up, let's open the Automate Center. Look to the top of your board for the Automate button and give it a click. This is your hub for all things automation, from simple reminders to advanced, multi-step workflows. If you haven't poked around the Automate Center before, don't worry. It's intuitive and we'll take this one step at a time. Now, Monday.com needs permission to actually send those emails from your account. Under Integrations, you'll see options for popular services like Gmail or Outlook. Pick your provider, whichever you use for your business or team communications, and follow the prompts. You'll need to sign in and grant Monday.com access. This is a routine step for most integrations, kind of like allowing apps to use your camera or microphone on your phone. It's secure, and it just lets Monday.com send emails on your behalf, not read your inbox or anything like that. Take your time with this part. If your organization requires extra security, make sure you're using the right login. Here's where the magic happens. Creating the actual automation. Click Add New Automation, or if you want something quick, pick one of the pre-built templates. You'll see options for all kinds of triggers. But for today, let's walk through creating a custom automation. Start by setting your trigger. This is the condition that tells Monday.com, okay, it's time to send that email. Common triggers are things like when status changes to done, for confirming task completion, or when a date arrives, which is perfect for sending reminders or follow-ups automatically. Once you've set the trigger, click Then Do This, and select Send an Email. Now it's time to configure the email itself. For the To field, choose the email column you made earlier so the automation pulls in the right addresses for each item. For the subject and body, write whatever you want your recipients to see. Here's a tip. You can make the emails more personal and flexible by using placeholders to pull in details like task names, dates, or even who completed the work. This makes each email feel customized, even though it's sent automatically. If you want some extra control, you can add conditions. So maybe emails only go out if a certain priority is set, or only to specific people. This is optional, but super useful if your board tracks lots of varied info. Once everything looks good, activate the automation by clicking Create or Add to Board. Take a moment here, because this is where it all comes together. From now on, your emails will go out automatically whenever your trigger conditions are met, keeping your process streamlined and your communication effortless. And that's it. You now have automated emails running in Monday.com, saving you manual work and helping keep everyone in sync. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and let me know in the comments if you run into any hiccups. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching.